Well, I did it again. This is Blueberry, a 1962 Chevy C10 that I just picked up. We're gonna revive this a little bit and make it into a shop truck. I can't seem to quit buying projects, but variety is the spice of life. So this truck was purchased here locally by a family, a really cool family that I'm looking forward to not only being able to restore this truck, or at least make it a great driver, and just kind of finish up what they started. So let's take it into the shop and check it out. Okay, we're back in the shop. Let's go over this truck. So like I said, it was purchased local here, not too far from the house. I was actually on my way to church and saw this thing sitting in the yard, and it's exactly what I was looking for. My first truck ever back in the day was a 1965 Fleetside Short Bed. And I've always wanted one, and it's the exact same brigade blue color that I had. Mine was a 256 cylinder with a power glide in it. It would do great one-wheel peels, and we had some fun in that truck. And I've always wanted another one and just haven't found the right one, and this one popped up, and there's no time like the present. So I actually contacted the gentleman that was selling it, and we worked out a deal. And I want to say hi to Lillian and Stella. They're the daughters of the gentleman that I purchased it from. They were dolls. So they named this truck Blueberry, and I'm going to keep it just out of tribute to them. So we're going to build this truck up into a driver, a good shop truck, something that leave the patina on it, not do anything with that, but get all the mechanicals right in it, update a lot of things that didn't get done yet. And we'll kind of go over the truck and what I see for it in the future and just kind of show it to you. So to start off, somebody swapped in a Olds 350. Runs great. It's a good running engine. I'm not going to pull it out right now. I'm just going to leave it the way it is because it does start up and run really, really well. One of the things that I'm not going to keep is the single pot brakes. I already have the kit for that. We're going to take, it does have the 6-lug suspension on it. So I was able to find some 6-lug conversion kit to disc brakes. We're going to do that. We're going to lower it about 2.5 inches in the front and 4 inches in the rear. We got some different tires for it. We actually got a whole front end kit to put underneath it while it's out. This truck likes to wander. It's all over the place. So we're going to go ahead and put a power steering conversion kit in it. That's already been purchased. So we've got quite a few things, as you can see here in the bed. These are parts that have come in over the last couple days, and we're going to get started on that pretty soon. So this truck, of course, it has all the great patina, but and it's got some whiskey dents.
Shit'll buff out.
Don't bother.
It's got some things that need to be addressed and worked on. I'm going to do very little body work on it, but the things that it needs to make it a good running and driving vehicle is what I'm going to focus on. But I did get some paint for it so I can match some of the spots, but I definitely want to leave like the hood and you know, the patina that we have on it, because it's lived a hard life, and I want to make sure you know, it's just a a cool old driver. And that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want anything that I had to worry about, or like some of my other cars, you worry about if somebody's going to, door ding it, or if kids want to climb on it whenever they're at a car show. And this isn't going to matter to me. So we're just going to have fun with it and drive it and just use it here as a shop truck. So the differences between the 60 up through 62 was the 4 headlights. And the one I had, the 65, was a twin headlight setup. And I kind of like the 4 headlights better. So he's done quite a bit of stuff, replaced a lot of the lenses, headlights. He's started putting his paintless wiring kit in it. The truck, like I said, does run good. It's got 17-inch rally-like wheels on it. I'm definitely got new tires for it. And let's look inside of it, and I'll kind of show you what we're going to do to it. So as you can see, it's got some wind holes in the floor, and I've already got floor pans ordered for it. They should be in tomorrow, and we will start putting floor pans in it, carpet, have a new steering column for it to go along with the steering box and the power steering conversion. So I think I'll be able to address about everything that this truck needs. So I wanted to share it with you. What I want to do with the channel is just have content, not work on the same thing every week. So we're going to do a little bit on this truck. We're going to do the step-by-steps with it, not like we did here on the Veteran. I'll give you kind of a sneak peek of what's been done to the Veteran. So there'll be a video coming up with that. So the chassis is complete. And sorry about the mess. We got stuff everywhere today. All the suspension's done, the chassis is complete, wheels and tires are on it. Actually have the motor almost ready to go. I'll give you a sneak peek of it. So the motor is almost ready to go into it, along with the 4L60. So just kind of a sneak peek on what's to come on the Veteran. So it's taken a little longer on the Veteran due to parts and things that I needed. So I wanted to have something that I could fill in with. So we'll probably be doing some suspension, an episode just on the suspension and the brake conversion, and move on in, to replacing the floor pans and the steering column, doing the lowering kit. So they might be shorter videos, but it is something that I think will really help the channel. Also, as I said in my last video, I've got another project coming in. So we're going to have pretty much a lot of variety coming up. I'm looking forward to filming some more. This was just kind of a video in between videos since I just put one out a day or so ago, but I'm back in action and ready to go. So we are looking forward to getting some more work done around here. So once again, I appreciate all the views and the comments and the likes. Feel free to like and subscribe. The channel is doing quite well, and I'd like to see it continue. So this is a sneak preview of what we have going on and some of the things you can look forward to in the near future. So as always, we appreciate you stopping into Garage 3030, and we look forward to seeing you next time.